This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator on Xbox. First, launch the game and select New Game from the main menu. You'll then choose your preferred difficulty and a map to start your agricultural adventure. Next, pick your initial farm location and the equipment you'll begin with. This setup is crucial for laying the groundwork for your successful farm. Once your farm is set up, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by preparing your fields with a plow or cultivator to ensure good soil. Then, use a seeder to plant your chosen crops, such as wheat or corn. When your crops are mature, bring out the combine harvester to gather them efficiently. Remember to store your harvested goods properly for future sales. After harvesting, you'll want to sell your crops to earn money. Transport your goods to different selling points around the map, keeping an eye on the fluctuating market prices. Selling at the right time can significantly boost your profits. Use your hard-earned cash to upgrade your machinery, purchase more land, or invest in new farm buildings to grow your operation. As your farm grows, you can explore exciting new ventures. Consider animal husbandry by buying livestock such as cows or chickens, which provide additional income. You can also delve into forestry, felling trees and processing wood for profit. For even greater returns, set up production chains to transform your raw materials into valuable finished products. The possibilities for expansion are vast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.